Hey, what's up guys, this is Abhinav here. Let's see how you can enable download button on Twitter or X and download videos directly from the app itself in high quality. For this, your phone needs to be rooted and LS Post Manager installed, and you need to download the module by Hachidori. I'll put the link for that in the description. I have told about all this process of rooting, installing LS Post Manager, enabling LS Post modules in my previous video. I'll put the link for that in the description. Make sure to check that out. Now after successfully enabling the module, in module section of LS Post Manager, and selecting Twitter or X app. Now reboot to successfully enable module, then open X and long press on the X logo at the top. This will open a new secret menu. From here scroll down and enable video download and enable custom media download. This will enable that required download button. Now find any video post on X and click on share button. Now you will see the new download button and click on it and you will be able to download the video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.